Hey there, affiliate marketers and aspiring digital entrepreneurs. Are you tired of feeling stuck in the 9-to-5 grind? Do you dream of becoming your own boss and building a career that lets you travel the world, work from your laptop, and finally ditch that snooze button? Well, guess what? That dream can become your reality with the power of affiliate marketing. But hold on a second. Before you go quitting your day job, there are a few things you need to know. The world of affiliate marketing is full of shiny objects and unrealistic promises. If you're not careful, you can end up wasting a lot of time and money on strategies that just don't work. That's why I'm here today to spill the tea on some of the hottest affiliate marketing trends that are actually blowing up in 2024. Forget those spammy tactics from the dark ages of the internet. We're gonna focus on strategies that are all about building trust and value with your audience. So, grab your notebook, because you're about to learn some affiliate marketing gold. Trend 1: Micro-influencer marketing. Forget the Kardashians. The future of influencer marketing is all about micro-influencers. These are social media stars with smaller but highly engaged followings. People trust them, listen to their recommendations, and are more likely to convert into paying customers when they click on your affiliate links. How to leverage micro-influencers. 1. Identify the right influencers. Use tools like BuzzSumo or Hype Auditor to find micro-influencers in your niche. 2. Build relationships. Engage with their content, comment, and share their posts to build a rapport before pitching your collaboration. 3. Create authentic campaigns. Work with influencers to create content that feels genuine and aligns with their usual style. 4. Track performance. Use affiliate tracking software to monitor clicks, conversions, and ROI from your influencer campaigns. Trend 2: The rise of social commerce. People are flocking to social media platforms to shop. That's why platforms like Instagram and TikTok are making it easier than ever to buy products directly within the app. This creates a huge opportunity for affiliate marketers to get their products in front of a targeted audience that's ready to spend money. How to tap into social commerce. 1. Optimize your profiles. Ensure your social media profiles are optimized with clear calls to action and links to your affiliate products. 2. Use shoppable posts. Take advantage of Instagram shopping and TikTok shopping to create posts that allow users to purchase directly from your content. 3. Leverage stories and reels. Create engaging short-form content that highlights your affiliate products and includes direct links. 4. Run targeted ads. Use social media ads to drive traffic to your shoppable posts and increase conversions. Trend 3: The return of storytelling. People don't want to be sold to. They want to be connected with. That's why storytelling is becoming an essential part of any successful affiliate marketing campaign. Use your content to tell stories that resonate with your audience, share your personal experiences, and build an emotional connection that will make them want to buy from you. How to integrate storytelling. 1. Share personal stories. Use blog posts, videos, and social media to share your journey and how the products you promote have impacted your life. 2. Create relatable content. Develop content that addresses the pain points and desires of your audience, showing how the affiliate products can solve their problems. 3. Use visuals. Incorporate high-quality images and videos to make your stories more engaging and relatable. 4. Engage with your audience. Encourage your audience to share their own stories and experiences with the products you promote, creating a community around your brand. Additional trends to watch. AI and machine learning. AI tools are revolutionizing affiliate marketing by offering personalized targeting, predictive analytics, and automated content creation. Use AI to analyze consumer behavior, optimize campaigns, and enhance user experiences with chatbots and personalized recommendations. Performance-based commissions. Affiliates continue to earn commissions based on concrete results, ensuring that brands only pay for measurable outcomes. This performance-driven approach motivates affiliates to deliver tangible results. Brand partnerships. Collaborations between non-competing brands with similar target audiences are on the rise. These partnerships involve joint campaigns and co-branded products, facilitated through various channels such as newsletters and social media. Metaverse market entry. The metaverse offers new marketing opportunities in interconnected 3D worlds. Brands are venturing into this digital realm to engage with audiences in novel ways, offering both physical and virtual products. So, there you have it. Those are just a few of the hottest affiliate marketing trends that you need to be aware of in 2024. Now it's your turn to take action. Pick a niche you're passionate about, find some great affiliate products to promote, and start creating content that provides value to your audience. With hard work and dedication, you can build a thriving affiliate marketing business and finally escape the rat race. P.S. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite affiliate marketing trend is. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share and hit that notification bell to be notified when I post future content.